Forgot PIN and password for Windows 11, how to bypass login. You can also enable the Windows Auto Login using the Settings app. Sometimes, it could be possible that you the PIN and password for your Windows 11 system, and this when you wonder how to bypass the login screen. It's a common issue and there's nothing to worry, since there are quite a few ways to enable the Windows 11 Auto Login feature and enter the desktop without the password. At the same time, it's important to use a password for Windows 11 for the security of your device. However, if needed, you can easily skip the login screen as explained below. While a password is critical for the security of your system, it could be possible that you lost or forgot the same, and now have no clue how to bypass the Windows 11 login screen. Forgetting the PIN and password is common, and hence, in this post, we will explain how to bypass the Windows 11 login screen and enter the desktop. How do I bypass Windows 11 login screen? 1. Bypass Windows 11 login screen using another admin account. 2. Use safe mode with command prompt. 3. Set Windows 11 Auto Login from Settings. Launch the Windows Settings app by pressing the Win+I keys simultaneously, click on Accounts on the left, and then select Sign In options on the right. How to disable the password option in Windows 11. To disable Auto Login, simply uncheck the box next to Users must enter a username and password to use this computer and press OK. Some PC issues are hard to tackle, especially when it comes to missing or corrupted system files and repositories of your Windows. Now, restart your PC, and the password for the Windows 11 login screen will now be skipped successfully and directly takes you to the desktop. You can also visit the Microsoft Password Reset page to change the Microsoft account password, and this is how you can bypass the Windows 11 login screen.